So we've broken down the EMF module into easy to digest sections, so you can learn at your own pace and focus on the areas that are most relevant to you. Here's what we'll be covering in this module. In the introduction, we'll dive into the different types of EMFs, their sources, and the potential health effects they may have. We'll also introduce you to the powerful R.I.D framework, which stands for reduce, increase distance, and decrease duration, the key principles of EMF reduction. Next, we'll focus on the devices that you use every day and how to minimize your EMF exposure. Next, we'll start with your phone, sharing practical strategies like behavior changes, setting adjustments, and safer accessory choices. Next, we'll move on to your laptop and computer, providing tips on positioning, grounding, cord management, and more. Finally, we'll help you identify other common EMF sources in your home, from smart devices to kitchen appliances, and offer solutions for each. Moving on, we'll explore safer internet connections. While wired internet is the safest choice, we understand that giving up Wi-Fi can be challenging. So we'll guide you on using Wi-Fi as safely as possible, covering topics like router placement, settings, and low EMF router options. For those ready to make the switch, we'll also provide a step-by-step guide on setting up Ethernet in your home, ensuring a safe, EMF-free internet connection. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for rest and recovery, so creating an EMF-free sleeping environment is crucial. In this section, we'll walk you through how to achieve this, from device removal to advanced shielding measures. We'll also provide essential information on protecting children from EMF exposure, with age-specific recommendations and product suggestions. The world of EMF protection products can be very confusing, with many options that are ineffective or even counterproductive. So in this section, we'll help you navigate this landscape, highlighting products that don't work and providing guidance to help you make informed decisions. Throughout this course, we'll share helpful downloads, including recommended products and other expert tips that can help make your EMF reduction journey as simple and straightforward as possible. Remember, we're always here to help if you have any questions along the way. Let's get started on creating a healthier EMF safe home together. In the next lesson, we'll explain what EMFs are and where they come from.